Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go at home without moving. First, you'll need to understand that this method involves simulating your device's GPS location. This allows the game to think you are physically in a different place. We'll cover the necessary tools and steps to get you started, so you can enjoy the game from the comfort of your home. To begin, download a trusted GPS spoofing application onto your smartphone. Next, you'll need to enable developer options on your Android device, which is usually found in the About Phone section by tapping the build number multiple times. Once enabled, navigate to Developer Options and select your downloaded spoofing app as the Mock Location app. This crucial step allows the app to override your actual GPS. With your spoofing app configured, open it and select any location you wish to explore virtually. Once your virtual location is set, launch Pokémon Go. You should see your in-game character appear at the chosen spot. Now you can spin Pokéstops, catch Pokémon, and even participate in raids, all from your couch. Remember to use items like incense to maximize your catches. While playing Pokémon Go at home offers great convenience, it's important to be aware of the risks. Using third-party apps can sometimes lead to temporary game bans if detected. Always use reputable apps and exercise caution. Despite this, playing from home allows you to enjoy the game, catch many Pokémon, and spin countless Pokéstops. For more great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.